You are going to love the 2019 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.